Conversation 1.
Do you like cream with your coffee?
Yes, but not too much.
What about sugar?
Yes, I like my coffee sweet.
How many sugar cubes?
2 should be enough.
Conversation 2.
Do we have any lettuce?
Just a little, but not much.
How about tomatoes?
We have a few. Why?
I want to make a salad.
Could do. We have lots of cucumber and a few onions.
Conversation 3.
Let's make an omelet. How many eggs do we have?
12. We do not have much oil, though.
It's okay. We have some cooking spray. Do we have any cheese or ham?
We have some cheese, but not much ham, I'm afraid.
That's okay. I can use tomatoes.
Great. We have too many, and they will spoil soon.
Conversation 4.
How much honey do we have?
Not much, but some.
How many bananas?
We have a few, I think. Why?
I want to make a sandwich.
With bananas and honey?